Welcome back, guys. In our last video, we have finished the Python programming basics till to the input functions in programming language. So, now that we have learned how to write the basic hello world program in the Python, it's time to understand how to declare a variable in Python. In this video, we will also learn about the different data types available in Python. And as you can see, I am using the Jupyter notebook throughout this session. Let's begin. So we are opening the new notebook and we'll give the name as data types in Python. So in data types in Python, before discussing it, let me learn about the how to use the asterisk marks in the Python programming. So if we have the case where we have to print the multiple sections for a single variable, then what we have to do, and in the Jupyter notebook we have the sections with the various drop downs like code, markdown, row and be convert and heading. So if we select the code and put the hashtag into the section, it will directly convert into the comment. So let's add another print statement. So if we put print, that is dollar asterisk of 10, which means I have to print the dollar sign multiple of 10. So if you press shift enter, it will give the output of dollar multiple of 10. As you can count is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we'll discuss about the variable. So here we have to select the heading, variables, So to declare the variable, we have the function called var variable1. Let's call any name, Hitesh, and print var1. That will give the output of Hitesh. In the variable second, we can give the output name as input name as variable 2, as this is the string which will be caught in the double quotation mark. It is the first variable, and variable second is integer. Any integer, like, as you know, an integer can be minus infinity to positive infinity. That can be a integer. So infinity means a number. That is, let's say, for a reason, variable 7. But in case of integer, will not put into the double quotation mark. Double quotation mark is only in the case of string or text form. As it is the integer, so will not put in the double quotation mark. So print, same exercise will do again, variable 2, that will give 7. Now the another variable called as float. Float is a decimal term. So var3 equal to, let's say, 4.5. Again, same exercise. var3, it will give the output of 4.5. Again, we'll select the markdown from here. So now that we know how to store a variable in the Python, let's try, what you can say, let's try getting input from a user and a string, storing it in Python. Now you can understand from the heading I have given. So we have the variable like string, which is in double quote form, integer, decimal form is called float, and let's go to the some advanced programming, as we have already did in the last session. To get input, sorry, to get an input from, let's say, from a user, we would use the input function. So to get an input from a user, we would use the input function. Any input from the user, if you have to get the any input from the user, we would always use the input function. For example, number, let's say, what's your favorite number? Yeah, let's take this. What's your favorite number? And print, if we say number, let's see what it gives us. What's your favorite number? Different number. Okay, what is your favorite number? Like, for a reason, 7. Let's say 7 is your favorite number. Then it will give the output of 7. I think that's enough for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you so much for being a part of this session. Bye, good night.